Parrots are fascinating and colorful birds known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. With over 390 species worldwide, they come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and vibrant colors, making them popular pets and wildlife icons. Parrots are native to tropical and subtropical regions, with many species found in Central and South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. These birds are highly social and live in flocks, communicating through calls and squawks. Their strong beaks help them crack nuts and seeds, which are their primary diet, though some species also enjoy fruits and flowers. Parrots are incredibly intelligent, capable of solving puzzles and even learning words and phrases. Famous parrot species like the African grey are known for their extraordinary talking ability. However, many parrot species are endangered due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure these wonderful creatures thrive for future generations. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.